Hi everyone. Today is my second day after I got vaccinated, and it just a little muscular pain. I thought just to discuss how it all went and how things are now. So, yes, the first day I got a shoulder pain, but yes, I'm pretty fine now, and I've been working also and doing household stuff, so nothing to panic much. I'm sure most of you will get vaccinated. They'll have that side effect, so not to worry much. It's just your immune system is reviving and reacting, so and it's good to have the symptoms. So I believe you should go for the vaccines if the slots are available. Nothing to panic. हो सकता है किसी को ज़्यादा साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स हो रहे हो, किसी को कुछ भी ना हो रहा हो, किसी को कम हो रहे हो. So depending on your body, this will happen. Rest, I was getting some calls and questions, कौन सी वैक्सीन क्या है, so I thought to make a small video which is little informative for my friends and family. Second, people were coming and asking about the centers and the price. So some of the states have given free vaccine to the people, but yes, in private hospitals it's around 900, and the vaccine is also, the pricing is 200 to between 250 to 400 in some of the clinics. But yes, I got vaccinated from a government, from a center, vaccinated center. It was a government school which got turned to a COVID center, vaccinated center, so I got it in free. Moving on, what should we all eat and have before and after the vaccine? So there's no specific thing, but yes, I read somewhere, maybe in some newspaper report, that it's good to have the green vegetables and proper meals the way we need to have it during this time. So yes, proper meals, green leafy vegetables are must, and yes, plenty of water, I believe, is the most important source to build up your body. So better to have plenty of water, and also have a good sleep before and after the vaccine. Baad ka to I'm not sure whether we'll have a good sleep or not, because last night wasn't that easy. I wanted to sleep, but I couldn't because of the little pain. But yes, try to have good sleep when you are getting vaccinated and before that. Moving on, which getting a question, which dosage, which vaccine is better. So I believe both the vaccines has been clinically tested, so I think we should go for it, rather than thinking कि कौन सी better है कौन सी नहीं, and both have different side effects. Some have less side effects, some has more, but rather to think more. And even if the centers are not giving you an option to choose the vaccine, so better whatever is available, just go for it. And the in between, you have like 4 to 6 weeks time with the first and the second dosage, depending on the vaccine which you are getting. So you can know more about it. And all we know, we have to follow the whole process of online registration. So you have to online register yourself, get your slot booked, and go for the vaccine. But yes, also I request those who are booking the slots, please cancel it or reschedule it. If you're not going, you're just choosing the slot and which you're not going for it, doesn't make any sense. So better you go for it. And also, people are saying we're not getting the slots because of the heavy queue. So considering, I believe the center on at which I went, they were following the all social distancing norms and other regulations. I believe we need to be a little patient with the strength. According to the strength, India have the population, so the centers are opening the slots, but it's considering the they can't have number of people in one day, as much number of people in a day, so they are opening the slot for a little bit of time. So we need to be a little patient. Of course your number will come, but yeah, keep on checking on the slots. And please, those who are registering, please go for it, don't cancel it. Next, that's all I want to say. Just be strong, not only physically, of course doctors and your family members are helping for the obviously for the COVID patients. Just be strong, emotionally also. It's don't panic in the situation. I know the things are getting worse, but I'm sure things will be better very soon. And for those who are getting vaccination, please just have some patience. I believe yeah, the slots will be more slots and more centers will be there, and you can have the vaccine very soon. But yes, don't get afraid of getting the vaccine. I got to know from people that we'll only get it vaccinated first after looking at the people how they are feeling now, and then but it's not the first age group who are getting vaccinated. 60 plus ko bhi lagi hai, 45 plus ko bhi lagi hai, and it has gone to all the 3 phases of the clinical testing. So better not to afraid, and keep yourself motivated and get it vaccinated. So both the doses are very important, so please go for it. Thank you.